When you publish a book, you must select the values of variant criteria. These values determine which primary objects and variants are published. Each variant criteria has a list of values that you can assign to primary objects or variants. For example, a variant criteria called country could have the values Turkey, Australia, and Spain. Assigning variant criteria to primary objects is optional. Variants must have at least one variant criteria. When you attempt to publish a book, AuthorIt checks what objects are used by the book, including the book itself, since books can also have variant criteria and variants, the variants of those objects, and what variant criteria they have. You then select values for those variant criteria. AuthorIt compares the values assigned to the objects to the values you selected for publishing. If you have selected the values assigned to the object, AuthorIt will publish the object. If you haven't selected the values assigned to the object, AuthorIt won't publish the object. If the criteria you select match those required by a variant, that variant replaces its primary object. For example, a primary topic called product description has a variant called X1000 product description. The variant has the value X1000 for the product variant criteria. An author publishes a book that has the object product description in it, and selects X1000 as the value of the product variant criteria. AuthorIt replaces product description with X1000 product description. The author publishes the book again and selects X1000 as the product variant criteria and USA as the country variant criteria. AuthorIt still replaces product description with X1000 product description. The X1000 product description topic has no country requirement, and the variant criteria it does require was still selected. The author publishes the book a third time and selects X2000 as the product variant criteria. AuthorIt publishes the primary topic because the primary topic has no variant criteria, and X2000 doesn't match the variant criteria that the X1000 product description variant requires. If a primary object has multiple variants that could replace it, AuthorIt uses the priority of the variant criteria to determine which variant it will publish.